Good morning, welcome back. We're going to work on our Inventor Drawing 7-6 today. So I have my Inventor program opened up here. I clicked on New, I clicked on Standard, and I'm going to click on Create. So we're going to start with a 2D sketch here, and I'm going to draw this one as if I'm looking down at it. So I clicked right there. I'm going to click on top. I'm going to slide it over there. And let's start with a rectangle. So I'm going to build a block and I'm going to cut out whatever I need to make it into the shape we need. So we're going to do a rectangle, and this rectangle is going to be 4 tab 5. And then I'm going to green check mark to tell I'm done with that 2D drawing. Click on extrude, click on house to turn it, and we're going to extrude this. We're going to go 3.5 inches, so 3.5, enter. Let's turn this slightly. Okay, there we go. So we need to cut out this section here. So I'm going to draw on this right-hand face. Actually, this is the back face right here. I'm going to draw a triangle like that. So I'm going to go to Start 2D Sketch. I'm going to select a plane. I want to select this backside here. I'm going to click on back to turn it so I'm looking straight in at it. And I'm going to click on line. So I'm just going to draw the basic shape. So I'm going to come over to here. I'm going to make sure I don't grab onto the midpoint. If I grabbed onto the midpoint, let's see if I grab onto it over here. Right there. So if I grab onto the midpoint, it won't let me move that line. And that's not necessarily where I want it. So I'm going to click right there. And I'm going to go from here to here. So in order to extrude something, you need a complete shape. I couldn't just draw a line across here and then extrude that. It wouldn't work. I'm going to right click OK. Dimension. All right, so I want from this side here to this intersection here, I want it at 3/4 of an inch, so 0.75, enter. And then same down here. So I'm going to click on this here, and then on this intersection, I'm going to set it down there, double click, 0.75, enter. All right, so we have the right dimensions for that. Turn that at an angle, green check mark because we're done with our 2D drawing. Click on extrude. I'm going to click on the object we just drew. I don't want to click on this other one here. I'm going to click on what we just drew. And I'm going to click on remove. And we are going all the way, we're going to leave 1.5 inches left. So we have 5 inches. So 5 inches minus 1.5 inches would be 3.5 inches. And look at that, we are already set at 3.5 inches. So I'm going to click on OK. Remove that. Let's do the little hole that's right in this spot up here. So I'm going to go to Start 2D Sketch. I'm going to click on this surface here. I'm going to click on back, so I'm looking straight in at it. And let's go ahead and draw a circle. And I'm just going to draw it at any location. Make sure you don't have it snapping to any lines or intersections or corners or midpoints. If we do have it snap to something, we won't be able to actually modify its location or size. We'll click on the center point, dimension here, double click. That is 0.75. Enter. And then we're going to go from the center point to this outside edge here. And that is also going to be 0.75. Enter. Let's do the diameter. What do we have for a diameter? It is also 0.75. Enter. All right, so we are done with that 2D sketch. So I'm going to click on the green check mark. Click on extrude. and it is automatically adding to it. I'm going to click on remove and click through all and then OK. So if we turn it here, look straight through, you can see that the hole goes all the way through just we wanted to. And down here, we're going to have a cylinder that comes out. I'm going to click on 2D sketch. I'm going to click on this face here and click on back. Turn it so I'm looking straight in at the back. Click on circle, and I'm going to just put the circle down here. Didn't attach it to anything, just put it in a random location. Right click OK, and then we're going to go to dimension. And from the bottom up to the center, that is 1 inch. So 1, enter. From the center to the side, we have 1.25, enter. And then the diameter of the circle is 1, enter. Now I can green check mark, click on extrude, and click on the corner up here just so we can turn it at an angle so I can see it a little bit better. And then we want to go 1.1 inches, so 1.1, and then we're going to click OK, and that's it. That's drawing 7-6, an easy one. Hopefully I'll see you back for the next one. Thanks for stopping by.